Oh, yo, that's a dope. That's a dope shot, yo. Hey yo, Wagwan, what's up? This is Xavier. Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be reacting to Top Gun Maverick. It's the sequel to the 80s film um, about called Top Gun. and the star of that movie, Tom Cruise, super mega extremely famous Tom Cruise, is back in the sequel. This was released last year, 2022. So it was on my list of movies to watch, and it got bumped ahead in the schedule because I was planning to do this like in the summer around that time, like a year after the first movie. But I'm gonna be releasing a bunch of films that were nominated for Best Picture for these 2023 Oscars, and this was one of the films nominated for Best Picture. As at the time of recording, this is the first one I'm recording for, but I don't know the order it will be released, but this is the first one I'm recording. Yeah, so this is the first one I'm recording Top Gun Maverick. I'm aiming to do as many of them as possible. How many were nominated for Best Film? Best Picture. Right, so 10 pictures nominated for Best Picture. I have access to 8 of them. Women Talking is that's only out in theaters. I don't think I'll be able to watch that before time. Avatar: The Way of Water, I think I'll be able. I think it's still out where I am. I'll have to check that and watch it. But yeah, so right, so the first Top Gun was out in 1986. Whew, yeah, it's a long time. So I'm not gonna talk much about anything. Just gonna do a brief little synopsis, and then we jump right into it. It says, so 30 years of service leads Maverick to train a group of elite. Oh right, cause that was his cool name, Maverick. So there was Isaac Man, Goose. I think Goose died, and whatever. Anyway, yeah. So 30 years of service leads Maverick to train a group of elite Top Gun graduates to prepare for a high-profile mission while Maverick battles his past demons. Okay, good setup. And yeah, so let's get into it. On March 3, 1969, United. Oh, this is what was in the first film. On March 3, 1969, United States Navy established an elite school for the top 1% of its pilots. Its purpose was to teach the lost art of aerial combat to ensure that the handful of men and women who graduated were the best fighter pilots in the world. Yeah, they succeeded. What was sometimes called Top Gun Maverick. Right, Miles Teller's in this. Jennifer Connelly, she was in the first one.
Nope.
Oh, Val Kilmer's back. It was Iceman. Tommy C. Looks like he's retired and just living a life as maybe like a owner for an airport hangar or some kind of business. And yeah. Oh wait, it's Miles Teller, Goose's kid? Oh no, he's still involved in the military. Okay, my bad. I thought they were gonna like recruit him to teach or something like that, but no, he's still involved. Okay.
Oh, he isn't here yet.
Let's take it for a flight.
Mach 10. Let's give Mach 10.
Of course he's gonna do that.
Contract threshold was Mach 10. Not 10.1, not 10.2, Mach 10. That should keep the program alive. I don't like that look, man.
I don't like it either.
Only one I got.
Yeah, he's gonna go past Mach 10. He's gonna try for Mach 11.
Get ready for text.
Hey, I remember. I know that face. I know that guy. He's in a lot of movies as a
Winds 21010.
Okay, fuel temp.
that's a background actor. Oh, yo, that's a dope. That's a dope shot, yo.
Ordering that we bring her down. Alpha 3.
Pretending he can't hear.
Well, with comms, sir, it's the Earth's curvature. Yeah, it's called Earth bulge.
Did anyone offer you a coffee?
Oh, that is nice. Oh. Yeah, calm down, bro. Calm down. Don't go further than that. Take it down now. Take it down. Slow it down.
Just a little.
No. Of course he's gonna do it.
Maverick.
Yo, that is cool. Not gonna lie, that is cool. The absurdity of this.
You've been called back to Top Gun.
Sir,
You are dismissed, Captain.
Top Gun it is.
Your kind is headed for extinction.
maybe so, sir. But not today.
Not today at all. Someday, but not today. You tell him. Commander, U.S. Pacific Fleet. Woo! He rose through the ranks.
I'm not sure who I trust to fly the other three, but I'll find a way to make it work.
I think you misunderstand, Captain.
Sir?
We don't want you to fly it. We want you to teach it.
Teach? Sir?
This will be your last post, Captain. You fly for Top Gun, or you don't fly for the Navy ever again.
Figured it was Iceman who got him this post. Because otherwise he was gonna be done. Nope. He would not have come.
Iceman makes a call, and you're back in the air.
I think this is different.
Pete, trust me. As improbable as it seems right now, somehow you'll be back in a fighter plane with your tail on fire.
Correct.
Disrespect a lady, the Navy, or put your cell phone on my bar.
And you buy around.
For everyone?
I'm afraid rules are rules. You're lucky it's early. They call you.
Bob?
No, your call sign.
Bob.
It's Harvard, Yale, Omaha. Shit, that's Fritz.
What the hell kind of mission is this?
That's not the question we should be asking.
What is the question?
The best there is. Who the hell are they gonna get to teach us?
Really?
Oh, Meg Ryan was in the original one? Wow. I completely forgot about that. See, I watched the original more than once, but not like 10 times or anything like that. Only like two times. Yeah. But it's been like a few years since I watched it. Been a few years since I watched it last time. Yeah, that's dramatic AF.
His exploits are legendary. And he's considered to be one of the finest pilots this program has ever produced. What he has to teach you.
Yeah, that's the guy you threw out.
I give you Captain Pete Mitchell. Call sign, Maverick.
You know the book, inside and out.
Damn right.
Yeah,
Damn straight.
you got it.
Today we'll start with what you only think you know. You show me what you're made of.
Yeah, makes sense. Get them up into the air. See what they can do.
If I shoot either one of you down, you both lose.
This guy needs an ego check.
We'll see to that.
Sir, what say you put some skin in the game?
What do you have in mind?
Whoever gets shot down first has to do 200 push-ups.
Guys, that's a lot of push-ups.
Well, they don't call it an exercise for nothing, sir.
You got yourself a deal, gentlemen. Flight's on. Let's turn and burn. Fanboy, you see him?
Nothing on the radar up ahead. He must be somewhere behind us.
Whoa!
We don't get fooled again. Lucy, you're too low. Pull up, you're hitting the hard deck.
Altitude.
Oh, shit.
That's a kill.
We don't get fooled again. Wow. Hey, hold that tarmac down till we get back, brother, all right? Hey, get up there, boys. Keep that.
That's a kill. Smoke.
Oh yeah, everybody's getting murked. Everybody's getting push-ups.
Down. Leaving your wingman. There's a strategy I haven't seen in a while. He called you a man, Phoenix. You gonna take that?
So long as he doesn't call you a man.
Shit. Phoenix, I can't see him. How close am I? Phoenix.
I'm dead, dickhead.
See you in the afterlife, Bagman.
That's a kill.
79. Down. 80. Down.
Let's go. Who's next? I got you.
And another kill.
How low you want to go, Rooster? I can go as low as you, sir, and that's saying something. What's past is past, for both of us. You'd like to believe that, wouldn't you? Hard deck is 5,000 feet, fellas. You're running out of room. Yeah, you got it. Don't think, just do. Come on, Rooster, you got him. Drop down and take the shot. It's too low. Too late. You had your chance. That's a kill. Not enough. Damn it. Same old Rooster.
Oof. So, this is... yeah. I really like it. I really like it so far, man.
Talk to me. What the hell was that?
He pulled my papers.
What? Who?
Maverick. He pulled my application in the Naval Academy. Set me back 4 years.
Why would he do that?
Okay, you have less than 3 weeks to teach them how to fight as a team and how to strike the target.
And how to come home. And how to come home, sir.
Yeah. How to come home? Do you want to kill all of them?
Sir,
What is this?
It's a request to lower the hard deck, sir, to practice a low-level bombing run per the mission parameters.
I could learn a thing or two about timing, Captain.
Yo, Coyote. Take a look at it.
You could, but you won't.
Pull on the box then! Depowering the sails!
Okay. What does that mean?
You're supposed to be in the Navy!
I don't sail boats, Penny. I run them.
Exactly.
The faster you navigate this canyon, the harder it will be to stay under the radar of these enemy SAMs. The tighter the turns, the more intensely the force of gravity on your body multiplies, compressing your lungs, forcing the blood from your brain, impairing your judgment and reaction time.
Today's lesson, we're going to take it easy on you. Max ceiling 300 feet, time to target 3 minutes. Good luck.
Yeah, they'll need it. Ooh.
What happened?
Well, I flew as fast as I could. Kind of like my ass depended on it. And you put your team in danger and your wingman's dead. They couldn't keep up.
How did this guy pass?
We made it to the target.
And superior enemy aircraft intercepted you on your way out.
Then it's a dogfight.
Against fifth-generation fighters.
Yeah, we'd still have a chance.
In an F-18.
It's not the plane, sir. It's the pilot.
Exactly.
You're not good enough pilot. That's what he's saying.
On this mission, a man flies like Maverick here, or a man does not come back. No offense intended.
Somehow, you always manage.
Very true.
It's no time to be thinking about the past.
What's that supposed to mean?
Rooster.
I can't be the only one that knows that Maverick flew with his old
Lieutenant,
man.
that's enough.
Or that Maverick was flying when his old man...
Lieutenant, that's enough.
You know I'm right.
Oof. Tensions at a knife edge. Hangman was kind of right though. Rooster is, he's not, nah, he needs to step up.
Please, don't worry about me. What can I do for you?
Alright. That's his wish. Better grant it.
Don't ask me to send someone else to die, please. Don't ask me to send him. Send me.
What does it say? What does it say? Ugh. Telling you to hang it up, old man.
I don't know how.
That was clearly obvious. That was obvious.
Needs Maverick. The kid needs Maverick. That's why I fought for you. That's why you're still here. Who's the better pilot? You or me? This is a nice moment. Let's not ruin it.
Yeah, it is a nice moment. Yeah. A little bit of nostalgia. Sentimentality. Love it. Ooh! Tom Cruise always gotta run. It's not a Tom Cruise movie if he doesn't run in it somehow. Oh, that is an invitation if I've ever seen one. That is an invitation.
His mother never wanted him to fly, not after
She made me promise before she died, so...
Does Rooster know that?
I don't think he does.
Resent me for what I did.
Oh, he doesn't know. That's the answer.
Did you resent her too? But this is the last time I go out your window.
We'll see.
No, I mean it. I'm never gonna leave you again.
Oh, shut up. Go on, get out of here.
Yeah.
Just don't break her heart again.
She was ready and waiting for him to show up. I knew it.
The second team will deliver the kill shot, destroy the target. That's miracle number 2. If either team misses the target,
Dunzo.
the mission is a failure.
Yeah. Makes sense.
You'll be pulling so hard you'll weigh close to 2,000 pounds. Your skull crushing your spine. Your lungs imploding like an elephant sitting on your chest. Fighting with everything you have just to keep from blacking out. And this is where you'll be at your most vulnerable.
Alright, I can't get locked. We're out of time. I'm dropping blind. Damn it, missed.
Don't black out.
Blue team, that's a fail. Level out, Coyote.
Coyote? Coyote?
Copy. Coyote, come in.
Oh no. Oh no.
Come on, Coyote, come on. Come on!
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
Coyote! Coyote! Bird strike! Bird strike!
Bird strike!
Phoenix, Bob, punch out! Punch out! Warning lights everywhere! Hydraulic failure!
Light control. I can't control it!
We're going down, Phoenix! We're going in! We're going in!
So tense. Oh my god. Oh. This funeral is kind of quick though.
They have to believe that this mission can be flown.
And all you've managed to do is teach them that it can't.
Sir,
You're grounded, Captain.
What are you gonna do?
ice is gone. What choice do I have?
Yeah. No one there to bat for you.
Who the hell is that?
Yeah, that's the Maverick showing you it can be done.
Don't see an event scheduled for you, sir.
Well, I'm going anyway.
Nice.
Yeah, very nice.
15 seconds.
2:15, that's impossible.
Yeah.
Three, two, one. Bombs away.
Bullseye, holy shit!
Damn.
Yes, damn. Woo. Show stood you up.
Risk the lives of my pilots and perhaps the success of this mission. Or risk my career by appointing you team leader.
Sir,
I think the Admiral's asking a rhetorical question, Captain.
He is.
Booster.
The rest of you will stand by on the carrier for any reserve role that's required.
Interesting choices. Hangman is a very bad wingman. He's not a good wingman. I get it.
We'll talk. We get back. You got this.
Is Tom Cruise gonna? Is Maverick gonna die in this? Oh, you can tell they actually did that. They actually did that. They actually did that. They actually did that. They actually did that.
Tomahawk's airborne.
No turning back now.
Yo, yeah, that is cool.
3, 2, 1, mark. 2 mark. The second those Tomahawks hit the airbase, those bandits are gonna move to defend the target. We have to get there before they do. Increase speed.
We got you, Mav. Don't wait for me.
Hey, yo. Rooster.
If we don't increase our speed right now, those bandits are gonna be waiting for us when we reach the target. Talk to me, Dad. Come on, kid, you can do it. Don't think. Just do it. Jesus, Rooster, not that fast. That's it, kid. That's it. All right, let's go. 2, 1.
Oh, this is where they enter in the valley.
We got impact! Check direct hit!
That's miracle number 1.
Miracle number 2 now.
Nearly there, nearly there! Good time, pull out! Away! Bombs away, bombs away!
Bullseye, bullseye, bullseye!
Here comes another one! Everyone defending! Oh my god.
Hey, yo, pay attention.
Break right, payback, break right! Breaking right! Oh my god, here they come! Sam on your 6, Rooster! Payback, Sam on your nose! Dagger for the business, Rooster! Tally!
Talk to me, bud!
Dagger 2, Phoenix, break right!
I see it!
So get Allstate. You can save money and be better protected from mayhem like me.
Shit, I'm out of flares! Rooster, evade! I can't shake them, they're on me!
It's hit! I repeat! Maverick is down!
Status! Anyone see him? Does anyone see?
Launch search and rescue. Negative. Not with bandits in here.
Oh, sir, Maverick is still out there.
We are not losing anyone else today. Get him home now.
Dagger, you are not to engage.
Is that the enemy chopper? Yep. And that's the enemy. Tom Cruise running again.
Yeah, I'm good. You alright? What the hell?
What are you doing here? That's the whole point. What the hell were you even thinking?
You told me not to think.
Yeah, that is true. That is true. You did tell him that.
You're not serious.
What, they're gonna commandeer one of these planes?
There's guys up there, Matt.
Yep.
There's more over
Just,
there. Okay.
yeah, just walk like you.
Yeah, run.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This thing is so old.
Hey, old but still reliable.
This is a taxiway, not a runway. This is a very short taxiway, Mav.
You just hang on.
Holy shit!
Wait, didn't they do this in the first movie? Come off a short runway, or is that Pearl Harbor?
Just wave and smile. Just wave and smile.
What's that signal? What's he saying?
Yeah, no idea. I have no idea what he's saying.
Yeah, they know you're not one of them.
An F-14 against 5th-gen fighters?
It's not the plane, it's the pilot.
But you are here.
Still can't change it. You gotta do it.
Don't think.
Just do.
Just do.
Bam.
Yeah, man! Splash one!
Splitting the throttles? Coming around. To be towed.
You got him, man! You got him!
Taking a shot.
Ooh.
What the fuck was that?
Ooh, that was cool.
Come on, man! Do some of that pilot shit! Holy shit!
Taking a shot.
Damn! Yes! Splash two!
Smoke in the air. Rooster flares. That was close.
We're out of flares, man!
So there. One name, Hangman is gonna come in and save them.
We can't take much more of this!
We can't outrun this guy. We got to eject.
What?
Rooster, pull the handle. Eject.
It's not working!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Your seatbelts, return your tray tables to their locked and upright positions.
Please don't tell me we lost an engine.
Of course.
All right, I won't tell you that.
You good? Yeah.
Oh, I know they were clapping in the audience for that. I know they were clapping in the audience for that. I know it. I know it. I know it.
Sure.
Thank you for saving my life.
That's what my dad would have done.
Yeah, interesting camera angle. I like it.
In your aching arms, I see that you're hurting. Why you take so let go till the end. So cry tonight. Hold my hand, hold my hand, hold my hand on my head. I'll be right here. Hold my hand.
Oh yeah, that's a good way to end that. Very good way to end that. Alright, so Top Gun Maverick. Yes. 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 Also wait, before I start, point of order. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the cut in or if I'm gonna keep this in or whatever, but I mentioned that Jennifer Connelly was in the first movie. She was not. That was someone else. Kelly McGillis was in the first one as the love interest. So totally different character also. My bad on that. It was nice to see Val Kilmer come back though, cause yeah, it was just a nice little it was just a little cameo. It was in there for like 5 minutes tops. But it's just good for nostalgic value to see him again in there. Reprising his role as Iceman. Anyone else returned from the first movie? No, it was just Val Kilmer and Tom Cruise. But yeah, totally amazing movie. Boy. I tell you, yo, I really liked it. I love it. I get it. Okay, so like I was saying like last year this made like what the over a billion dollars, and I'm like, okay, and I'm like seeing some very good reviews for it, and I'm like, okay, and I wanted to see, but still we're still in the pandemic, but then it was still still a bit too ragey for me to go, but it was at a point where I could have gone, but then like it didn't work out for me to see it, and now I'm really sad I did not see it at the theater, cause it would have been beautiful to see. It would have been beautiful to see. In that environment, with cause the planes, I'm sure I would have felt the energy, the vibrations, all the experience would have been more fulfilling. God, just this. I was into it. You see me out? You see me out tense up and everything. because it was a feat of cinematic brilliance. The story is it's not even a great story. It's not an awful story. It's just it's just a story. It's just a story. Can you believe that? This is cinema. This is cinema. I can't even talk too long on this because what am I gonna say? What am I gonna say? Oh boy. I really have okay, just I'm feeling this like affable after I watched the movie and I'm still just shook because it was truly an experience. Truly an experience. I know you're still seeing me here dumbfounded, but okay. I'm gonna try to be coherent and say something that makes sense. But yeah. This was a great movie. It was a worthy sequel. And I'm truly sad, like I said before, I'm truly sad I did not see this in cinema to experience the noise, the energy in the room from the other people, the cheering, like because you see me mention, I know people that been clapping at this moment, and you saw me cheering, yo. Yeah, if this comes out again in cinema, I might just watch it. Even though I watched it just now, I might just watch it. Even though I know I know what's happening, but I might just watch it again. But boy, yeah. Truly worth the hype. Truly deserves the plaudits. Alright, so the story was just basic. Tom Cruise, he's washed up. He saves they're gonna can this project, but he does hit Mach 10 to save it. And he disobeys orders and they're about to throw him out. But he's kept on because Val Kilmer's character Iceman, he's an admiral now, pulls a few strings. It's his final act. Not his final thing, because obviously he showed up later in the movie and he and Tom Cruise have this. They have like a good scene where Val does a lot with not saying much, and so kudos to him. Props. It wasn't like a amazing piece of acting, but he was very good. He was very good. Good job, Val Kilmer. I got it. You did it. You did your thing. I appreciate you. But right. Squeal up back. What was that? Don't worry about it. So Maverick is about to yo throw him out, but Iceman brings him back into Top Gun. there's a mission that needs his expertise to bring some knowledge and some just confidence to a group of Top Gun graduates. Yeah, they need the best of the best to be able to do this. And one of those best is Goose's son. And Maverick did some stuff in a promise to Goose's wife, Rooster's mom, where he tries to not get Rooster to be a pilot, but it doesn't work out. All this is delay Rooster, and now he resents Maverick. But yeah, Maverick goes to the bar, bing bam boom, they throw him out. And then yeah, next day he shows up as their instructor. Yeah, that parallels the first movie because Kelly McGillis's character, they had a little similar thing where Tom Cruise was hitting on her or something like that, and then she shows up the next day as their instructor. Yeah, okay. I see it. So, I'm fine with that. And so, this basically, like 50% of the movie is just them in planes in the air. And Tom Cruise gets a love interest. There's a little patching up of stuff between Rooster and Maverick. Hangman saves them at the end. Iceman dies, and so John Hamm's character uses that as a means to take over, and he's like dismantling what was done, and he's like, yo, let's be safer, let's not try and push it. And that forces Tom Cruise to disobey orders. He's gonna John Hamm is saying grounding him, but no, he says, what you're gonna try to do is not gonna work. You're gonna get them killed. I'm gonna have to do it to show you it can be done. I'm gonna do it to show these people that what I'm asking of them is possible. It is possible. You just have to do it. You have to believe in yourself. You have to do it. And that's what he does. He's team leader. They complete the mission. But he gets shot down. Rooster comes back to save him. He gets shot down. And so the final like 20 minutes or so of the movie is just them trying to get back to the ship. Maverick does his best flying ever. Shoots down some planes. By the end, they're out of weapons. They're out of ammo. They're out of missiles. The end is nigh. Hangman saves them. And Tom Cruise and the love interest get together then. And I loved it. I was at the edge of my seat, not literally, but I wanted to be. I was thinking about the me being too close to ruin the shot and everything. So that's why I did it. But I wanted to, and yeah, I'm full of praise for it. Whatever flaws I could possibly think of are immaterial. They always it. 9 out of 10. That's it. Watch this. Yeah, it deserves a Best Picture nomination. I can say it deserves to win it though. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do a video just a little before the Oscars of my picks. I'm trying to watch as many of these nominees as possible. But yeah, watch it. It deserves it. That's it. Goodbye.